Here's a classic case of the door being too big. You can get it to close and you can open it, but it is rubbing. And it's nicely aligned, everything is square, nothing's crooked, but it's just too tight. And when a door is tight like this, if you have to force it open or closed, it's gonna cause problems with the hinges, the paint's gonna peel off, the lock's gonna have issues. And because there's no room to move the door, you can't use hinge shims, you can't bend the hinges, there's no adjustments you can do. You have to make the door smaller. Here's the way I do it. Even though it doesn't open or close well, it does open and close. So we need to make it about an 1/8 inch smaller. And when that's the case, I like to take that off of the hinge side. Here's why. Your hinge mortises are about an 1/8 inch deep, so they act as a guide. Once you take the hinges off, you just plane the whole side of the door down until everything is flat, and then you know you've taken off an 1/8 inch. Also, even though these have to be painted, people don't always have the time or desire to paint these the next day. And if they let it go, it'll be okay because no one will ever see this side anyway. Also, if you make a mistake, if things don't turn out perfect, it's best and easiest to hide it on the hinge side. Now with that planed down, you see everything is nice and flat. We are down to the hinge mortises, which means we removed an 1/8 inch. So we will remortise the hinges and then we'll attach the top hinge and rehang the door and see how it looks. Works perfect, looks great.